So, who's actually responsible for writing user stories? Short answer, the product owner. They're the one who owns the backlog, and it's their job to make sure each item on the backlog is clear, valuable, and aligned with the product vision. But here's the thing, it's not a solo mission. Good user stories are a team effort. Anyone can suggest a story. The best stories are often created collaboratively. Even if the product owner writes the initial story, the team should be involved in refining it. That means developers, designers, testers, everyone who helps bring that story to life. Sometimes the best stories come out of a whiteboard session or a quick chat where someone goes, "Wait, what happens if the user does this instead?" And boom, a vague story turns into a crystal clear one with real value. The point is, user stories are not just a documentation tool. They're a tool for collaboration, a shared understanding, a starting point for great conversations that lead to great products and services.